Welcome back to day 2 of our 7-day creator bootcamp. Yesterday was amazing, and today we're diving into something crucial. Our goal for today is to learn how to design professional-looking content, and we're going to do it fast using a tool called Canva. First, what exactly is Canva? Think of it as your all-in-one design studio, but way easier. It's a free tool that lets you create everything from social media posts and YouTube thumbnails to flyers, logos, and even presentations without needing any design experience. It's the secret weapon for millions of creators who need to produce high-quality visuals quickly. Now let's get familiar with the Canva interface. When you first open it, you'll see a big search bar right at the top. This is your best friend. For example, you can type Instagram post and it will give you a perfect blank canvas. On the left side, you'll find the most important tabs. The Templates tab is where you find thousands of ready-made designs. Elements is where you get shapes, icons, and cool stickers. The Text tab lets you add headings and body text, while Uploads is for adding your own photos and videos. Finally, the Styles tab is a hidden gem that gives you professionally paired font and color combinations in one click. One of the biggest mistakes new creators make is using the wrong design size. A post designed for Instagram won't look right on a YouTube thumbnail. Here's a quick guide. An Instagram post is typically 1080 pixels, while an Instagram Reel or TikTok video is 1080 x 1920 pixels. A YouTube thumbnail is 1280 x 720 pixels, and a Facebook post is often 940 x 788 pixels. But here's a pro tip. You don't need to memorize any of this. Just search for the exact platform name inside Canva, like YouTube thumbnail, and it will automatically create the correct size for you. Let's talk about working with text like a professional. The key is simplicity. Rule number 1, use a maximum of 2 fonts. Great readable choices are fonts like Montserrat and Poppins. Rule number 2, your headline must be bold and easy to read even on a small phone screen. Rule number 3, don't crowd your design with too much text. Give it space to breathe. For example, a simple design with the text, "AI will replace lazy people, not smart ones," is powerful because it's clear and direct. Colors can make or break your design. For beginners, stick to a simple color rule. Pick 2 main colors and use them with black or white. The most important thing is contrast, which means your text should stand out clearly from the background. If you're not sure which colors work well together, go to the Styles tab in Canva. It offers countless ready-made color palettes that are professionally designed. The smartest way to use Canva is by leveraging templates. Professional designers don't reinvent the wheel every single time. They reuse proven layouts. Here's how you do it. Search for Instagram post in the templates section and choose a clean, simple design. Then just change the text to your own message. Update the colors to match your brand and swap the image with one of yours. You keep the professional layout but make the content uniquely yours. Now it's time for your practical task for day 2. Your mission is to create 1 Instagram post in Canva. The topic is, why every creator must learn AI in 2026. Use the rules we just discussed. Pick a template, use 2 fonts, choose 2 main colors, and keep it clean. Here's a bonus content idea for you. Once you create that 1 Instagram post, you can easily resize and adapt it for your WhatsApp status and Facebook page. One design, multiple platforms, that's how you work smart. And here's a special pro tip for my fellow African creators. Simple designs almost always perform better than complex, cluttered ones. Your audience is often on the move, scrolling quickly. Your message needs to be understood in a split second. Always prioritize clarity over beauty. That's a wrap for day 2. You've learned the fundamentals of professional design. Get ready for day 3, where we'll get into creating viral designs, crafting click-worthy YouTube thumbnails, and understanding the psychology behind content layouts. See you tomorrow.